are these? Stop and running. Probably some fan motor. This one with an ECM is running. It's got a Gentech ECM. It's very ice cold and sweaty. Wow. A lot of these aren't on. What the? Yeah. Wow. Okay. Here's this Carrier Tech 2000 weather maker. It's a weather maker. It has an original fan motor. Okay. Something to start up. Oh, nice. Dang, that's nice. It's been running too. These are heat pumps. Andrew got this one defrosting. I remember it. 2018 5-ton. Now let's go down here. There are these two pain teardrops. With Millenniums, which they've been running. 2000, it's a 5-ton. Both of these have been running. Sweet, dude. Nice. I got one of the teardrops starting up. That's awesome. Alright, and here's these two. I think these are BRCs. Both these have been off. Millennium. Oh my. Wait, that's a brand new Trane choice, I think. I'll go to that real quick. 2022, 3.5. Oh, there's two. Oh, sweet. They have Hawaiians. All right.